In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a parrot named Alex can mimic over 100 words, even sounding like different people. Meanwhile, a dog named Boo has an incredible ability to detect rare diseases in humans just by sniffing them. Deep in the ocean, an octopus named Inky showcases remarkable problem-solving skills, escaping from its tank by navigating a maze. Up in the skies, a hawk named Apollo performs aerial acrobatics that leave researchers in awe. These incredible animal talents remind us of the hidden wonders in nature that are waiting to be discovered.